I want to give a prophecy concerning the situation of Zimbabwe. A few days ago, there's an expose where Chivayo was exposed through South African banks that there were fishy transactions amounting to around 800 million, where Chivayo's accounts received money from the Ministry of Finance, from the government, attached and connected to the printing of ballot papers for the elections that we held a few years ago. So everybody knows, just like we said a few years ago, we said Chivayo has no money. This is government money.
Yes, Chivayo ana mari ana ringororombe rakafanana nesu rakaenda padhuze nepower chete. Business ripi raanoita Chivayo raanonzi anowana mari yekuswera achipa macelebrities esa mota dziya mamillions. Ari kuiwana kupi mari iyo? Which business is he doing? Don't support him blindly. Mchiti yeye ane mari dzake anodziwanako. Imari yehurumende iri kubiwa naWicknell. And ukadozvitarisisa ari kungopa vanhu vane mari dzavo kudhara futi mari yacho. Like Jabprez nanganzi murombe rekuti anopiwa mari and motor and so forth. Why is he not giving those cars to the poor people? Kana mariyo ngaape kavarombo vabatsirike. Muzvipatara muna mishonga izvozvo, maroads akadhakwa and everything is in mess. Why is he not using that money for the betterment of people of Zimbabwe, for the betterment of the nation? Gekuromba ere mari. Haana mari Chivayo, and the apostle is talking.
Now what people are doing now, exposing documents and so forth, they are simply confirming what we said. We said it last year. Yes. We said that he has no money. Yes. This is our money. This is government money. And because of that, he is not rich. He is a thief who needs to be stopped as soon as possible, to stop the bleeding, to cauterize the wound, and save the desperate lives of ordinary citizens. The Lord is going to do something that we are not going to expect. The Lord is going to do something that we do not expect. I saw a vision. Listen to me. I saw a vision, and in that vision, somebody was walking, and there was a parcel of rain falling upon him alone. But the rain was full of hail. So he started bleeding because the hail was very dangerous. It hit upon his head hard, and it broke his head into pieces. And I started to see pieces of his brain cells falling to the ground like cotton pieces.
Now, this is the scariest part of the prophecy. Apa ndo panotyisa apapo. Zvekuti munhu ari kunzwa chiprofita ichi achinyatsinzwanzi chiri kureva inini. Apa ndo panomupinza fear manja, because it seems like the punishment is going to be heavy. Punishment yacho ichange ichityisa rekuti vanoona vanotaura kuti uku ndokurangwa naMwari. Of course, they are adamant and ignorant, and they will say this is Chiwenga, is mad. But to my understanding and knowledge, most, if not all, Apostle Chiwenga's prophecies are accurate. They may take time, but when they come, you see that the man of God was true. So they must listen to this prophecy. Vasina mweya wekuzvidza kuti zvataurwa naChiwenga. They must seek God's forgiveness before this happens, because this is not going to be good if it happens to someone. Even iwewe uchinyatsoda kuti ningirikimi awirwe nematambudziko, but kana Mwari akaranga munhu, even muvengi wako unomunzwira tsitsiwo. This is the most scariest part of the prophecy.
And I saw another one with a parcel of rain above his head, and I saw another one with a parcel of rain upon his head. And the Lord said to me, punishment shall be meted from individual to individual upon all those that are enjoying luxurious lives as a best benefit from filthy lucre. The judgments of God are going to come upon individuals. This is what I wanted to say concerning the Wicknell Chivayo madness.
Of course, there's someone who is saying this is not direct to Chivayo. Why are you saying it's direct to Chivayo when there's no name mentioned in the prophecy? But ukatasa matauro aitwa nemupostori apa ndeyekuti azotaura prophecy atanga ataura about Chivayo saga and scandals and Ian Love. So it is almost accurate that the prophecy is directed to Chivayo because ndiye watanga atarwa muprophecy. Or another dimension is that it may be directed to those who received cards from Chivayo. Who knows? Because ukadziya moto wembavha unenge utoriwo mbavha pachako iwowo. Saka prophecy inogona isiri yaChivayo yega, iri yaChivayo, mivamwe vakapiwa mota idzodzo, they are going to receive the punishment of God.
Mainini iyeni adzimai vavo vari kutogara pamutefetefe izvezvi nemota yakatengwa nemumwe murume. A decent man will not allow another man to buy something that gives your wife something that she doesn't have from you. Imagine uchipinda mu chicken slice uchida kutenga 2 pisa chicken in. Mumwe murume obva amira paside newe, obva akutengera iwewe 10 pisa, otengera adzimai vako 5 pisa, oti garaya pamudye. Sacrilege. Upombwe wakaitwa na Ian Ndlovu haazvizive, hazvina integrity. Hakuna munhu anotengera mukadzi wangu motikari ndomutema nedemo. What are you trying to do? Kutengera mukadzi wemunhu mota ndokuti kudii ikoko. But kana uri a scoundrel and a beggar, you won't think straight. As we talk right now, mukadzi waiye narotofamba achinzi mama makafitwa nemota yakatengwa nemurume wedumbu hombe saEri akora nemari yenyika.